James, do you know why pandas only eat bamboo and not any other plant?
That's because pandas spend up to 14 hours a day just eating bamboo. Bamboo is their main source of energy. Today, we'll explore a mysterious and fascinating story about the special relationship between bamboo and pandas. It's not just about their diet, but also a journey into bamboo's role in the ecosystem and the survival of pandas.
Wow, tell me more, James. You see, pandas are not just adorable, they're also really smart in finding food.
Exactly, don't let their cute looks fool you. Pandas are real experts when it comes to finding and consuming bamboo. Pandas are mammals belonging to the bear family, Ursidae, famous for their distinctive black and white fur and large, adorable eyes. They spend up to 14 hours a day eating this plant, making bamboo their main energy source. Bamboo, with its rapid growth and environmental protection capabilities, plays a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance of forests. But what really makes bamboo the indispensable life partner for pandas? What created this symbiotic relationship?
I'm really curious, what makes bamboo the indispensable life partner for pandas?
It's a unique symbiotic relationship. Both species depend on each other to survive and thrive. I'll reveal some interesting and surprising facts about how pandas not only rely on bamboo to survive but also help develop and protect bamboo forests through their eating and living habits.
Pandas not only rely on bamboo to survive, but they also help develop and protect bamboo forests. That's amazing.
Exactly, their eating and living habits play a crucial role in maintaining the growth of bamboo forests. But it's not just about pandas. Bamboo plays an incredibly important role in the tropical rainforest ecosystem. First, let's talk about the amazing growth rate of bamboo. Did you know that bamboo can regrow from its roots within just a few weeks after being cut? This is a rare feature in the plant world, and it brings huge environmental benefits.
I'm really surprised by how fast bamboo can grow.
Exactly, bamboo can regrow from its roots in just a few weeks, which helps protect the soil and prevent erosion. Bamboo, part of the Poaceae family, is one of the fastest growing plants in the world. But did you know there are over 1,000 different species of bamboo? These species are spread across tropical to temperate regions, from high mountain peaks to low tropical forests. One of the most popular species is mozo bamboo, scientifically known as Philostachys edulis, which is often favored by pandas.
It's fascinating to know there are over 1,000 species of bamboo, and mozo bamboo is the most popular with pandas.
Exactly, mozo bamboo is not only tall and strong but also provides a lot of nutrients for pandas. Mozo bamboo not only has tall, strong stems but also wide, soft leaves that provide many nutrients for pandas. This bamboo species can grow over 20 meters tall, with stems up to 15 centimeters in diameter. Another interesting feature is that the stems have evenly spaced nodes, allowing them to bend without breaking, giving them flexibility and durability.
I never thought that bamboo stems could bend without breaking. That's a fascinating feature.
Exactly, the evenly spaced nodes give bamboo stems their flexibility and durability. Not just mozo bamboo, other bamboo species can also adapt to various habitats. Bamboo often grows in thick clusters, with strong fibrous roots spreading out underground, helping to stabilize the soil and prevent erosion. This makes bamboo a crucial component in protecting and maintaining soil fertility in both tropical and temperate forests.
See, bamboo not only provides food but also protects the environment.
Exactly, bamboo's fibrous roots help stabilize the soil and prevent erosion, protecting soil fertility. A special feature of bamboo is its rapid growth rate. Bamboo can grow up to 91 centimeters in just one day, a rare phenomenon in the plant world. This is due to bamboo's unique cell structure, which allows it to absorb water and nutrients very efficiently. Additionally, bamboo has a strong regenerative ability. Even after being cut, it can regrow from its roots.
91 centimeters in one day. That's unbelievable.
Exactly, bamboo's unique cell structure helps it absorb water and nutrients very efficiently. Bamboo is not only an important part of the habitat but also the main nutritional source for pandas. Scientists have analyzed and found that bamboo leaves and stems contain a lot of fiber, protein, a small amount of fat, and other essential vitamins and minerals. This provides pandas with the necessary energy to sustain their daily activities.
Bamboo really is the perfect nutritional source for pandas.
Exactly, bamboo leaves and stems contain many essential nutrients for pandas. Pandas have a special digestive system to process the large amount of fiber from bamboo. Although they can only digest about 20% of the fiber they consume, by eating continuously and in large quantities, pandas can still absorb enough necessary nutrients.
Pandas have to eat a lot to get enough nutrients, right, James?
Exactly, they eat continuously and in large quantities to compensate for their limited digestive ability.
I think it's really important to protect soil from erosion.
Exactly, bamboo with its strong root system helps hold the soil and prevent erosion effectively. Bamboo's rapid growth helps protect soil from erosion. In tropical forests, where heavy rainfall can cause soil erosion, bamboo's strong root system holds the soil together, preventing it from being washed away. This not only keeps the panda's habitat stable but also protects other organisms living in the forest. Not only that, but bamboo also has the ability to absorb large amounts of carbon dioxide from the air. This helps reduce the greenhouse effect, contributing to the fight against climate change. When we plant more bamboo, we not only create a better habitat for pandas but also help protect our planet from the negative impacts of climate change. Besides, bamboo is also a sustainable resource for humans. With its rapid growth and regenerative ability, bamboo is widely used in industries such as construction, paper production, and household goods. Bamboo products are not only durable and beautiful but also environmentally friendly.
Bamboo is used in so many industries, it's really versatile.
Exactly, bamboo products are durable, beautiful, and environmentally friendly. For these reasons, bamboo plays a vital role in maintaining ecological balance. We cannot deny that to have a healthy tropical forest ecosystem, protecting and developing bamboo forests is crucial. Now, let's explore the interesting symbiotic relationship between pandas and bamboo. This is a wonderful story about interaction and mutual support in nature.
I think the relationship between pandas and bamboo is really magical.
Exactly, this is a great example of symbiosis in nature. Let's start with an interesting fact. Pandas not only eat bamboo but also play a crucial role in dispersing bamboo seeds. When pandas eat bamboo, they don't fully digest the seeds. Instead, these seeds pass through their digestive system and are excreted along with their feces. This natural process helps spread bamboo seeds throughout the forest.
So pandas not only eat bamboo but also help spread bamboo seeds?
Exactly, the seeds pass through the panda's digestive system and are spread throughout the forest. Pandas are mammals in the bear family, but their diet is very different from other bears. In the wild, most bears are omnivores, but pandas have a diet that is almost entirely plant-based, with over 99% being bamboo. Each day, a panda can consume between 12 to 38 kilograms of bamboo to meet its nutritional needs.
Pandas eat a lot of bamboo each day to stay healthy?
Exactly, they consume 12 to 38 kilograms of bamboo every day. The panda's digestive system has evolved to process the large amount of fiber from bamboo. Although they can only digest about 20% of the fiber they consume, pandas have developed a habit of continuous eating to compensate for their inefficient digestion. Their digestive system, from sharp incisors for cutting bamboo to a long stomach and intestines for breaking down fiber, is specially designed to handle bamboo.
Pandas have a special digestive system to process bamboo.
Exactly, from sharp incisors to a long stomach and intestines, everything is designed to handle bamboo. Not only are their dietary needs unique, but pandas' eating habits are also fascinating. They can sit for hours just eating bamboo, using all four legs to hold and rotate the bamboo while chewing. Pandas usually choose the tender shoots and leaves of bamboo because they contain more nutrients and are easier to digest. This leads to a slow and relaxed lifestyle. You often see pandas lying or sitting comfortably, using their limbs flexibly to handle and consume bamboo. This calm and patient demeanor is a significant part of their daily life, and it is also what makes them so cute and attractive to many people.
Pandas are really cute and captivating.
I think so too, their calm and patient nature makes them special. From an evolutionary perspective, this relationship has developed over millions of years. Pandas, with their special digestive system and eating habits, have evolved to become experts in consuming bamboo. This not only helps them adapt to a habitat rich in bamboo but also helps them avoid food competition with other animals. Conversely, bamboo has evolved to become an ideal food source for pandas, with suitable nutritional content and rapid growth to meet the high consumption needs of pandas.
The relationship between pandas and bamboo is really special from an evolutionary perspective.
Exactly, both have evolved together to survive and thrive. Thanks to the help of pandas, bamboo seeds are dispersed and germinate in new areas. This contributes to the growth and maintenance of bamboo forests. Therefore, the relationship between pandas and bamboo is not just about diet but also an important symbiotic process that helps protect and develop the ecosystem. We are facing a significant challenge: climate change. Climate change is not just a matter of changing weather patterns, it is seriously threatening the existence of bamboo forests, and consequently, the future of pandas. Some recent scientific studies have shown that if we do not act immediately, many areas of bamboo forests could disappear entirely within a few decades. This means that pandas will lose their habitat and face the risk of extinction.
I don't want to imagine a day when bamboo forests disappear. That's terrifying.
Exactly, the disappearance of bamboo forests will have serious repercussions on the entire ecosystem. We have explored a special and magical relationship between bamboo and pandas, a relationship that is not only important to pandas but also to the entire ecosystem. We hope that through this video, you have gained a better understanding of the importance of protecting bamboo forests and pandas, as well as recognizing the role each individual plays in protecting the environment.
I hope everyone understands the importance of protecting bamboo forests and pandas.
Exactly, every individual has an important role in protecting the environment. If you have any questions or comments about this special relationship, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We look forward to your feedback and opinions so we can learn and raise awareness about nature conservation together. And don't forget to subscribe to the Wiki Plant channel if you haven't already, so you don't miss any future exploration journeys. Each week, we will bring you interesting stories, new discoveries, and valuable knowledge about the natural world. The mysteries of the ecosystem, all will be revealed on the Wiki Plant channel.
I'm really looking forward to the new stories and discoveries.
Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Goodbye and see you on our next journey.